Here's a couple of pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, rules in millimetres, materials wetted to help highlight the colours and patterns. First piece, got some nice colour in the middle there. So we're going to, some going to show up over here. Again, some colour showing over on the side here. It's nice and thick, so stable. You'll see the opal forming through here. Bands. It's that piece, this piece. Typical pattern. Curves of the opal. This is probably the better side. Colour starting to show through here. In bands of colour. And here's another piece I'm just throwing in. Hasn't got a lot of colour in it, but you might like to use it to practice on before you get onto the better material. Anyway, that's free, that piece. I've priced it on basically this piece here. Alright, I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.